Hello everyone, welcome to a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make the herringbone half double crochet stitch. So this is a single row stitch and it is also reversible. Both the sides they look the same. Okay, to start off this stitch, again you have to start with making a few chain stitches. Okay, and you yarn over, skip one chain, that will be a turning chain, yarn over, go into the next one. You can either go into the chain or work into the back loops of the chain, whichever you want to do, whichever effect that you want, you can go for that. Now I've yarned over, pull out a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, just like a normal half double crochet. Now you have to pull out this loop. This is the golden loop. So you have to pull out this loop out of the yarn over loop. Okay. Yarn over, pull out of just one. Without the yarn over, you have to pull out of just one loop. Again, yarn over, pull out of 2 loops. So this is a herringbone half double crochet. Again, I'm going to show you that yarn over, insert, pull out a loop. Continue pulling out that loop out of the yarn over as well. And yarn over, pull out of 2 loops. You have to continue doing that till the end of the row. Pull out of the yarn over, again pull out of both the loops. Yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, pull out the golden loop out of the yarn over loop. Again, yarn over, pull out of the 2 loops. Yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of the first loop. Again, yarn over, pull out of all 3 loops. Okay, so just like that, you can do till the end of the row. Okay, so this is the stitches that you have. Again, chain 1, turn your work, yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, pull out that loop out of the first loop. Again, yarn over, pull out of these 2. You can continue this till the end of the row and you can make as many rows as you require. So do try out this stitch and I'll meet you back tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.